Avtar Meher Baba Ki Jai. So before we begin, on behalf of all the members from Nafre family, I would like to thank each one of you for giving us this opportunity again today to sing Baba's bhajan. Thank you so much. I am myself Rashmi, and I am the newest family member in Nafre family. Uh, I became part of Nafre family after my marriage. And along with me today, I have Anant, Aditi, Antara, and Mani Nafre, who will be singing bhajans. And the flow of the program today would be I will keep sharing and narrating few stories about our family and few of the incidents where our family got the opportunity to take Baba's darshan. And we'll also listen to songs and ghazals. So, just to give a brief background about our family, we stay in the central part of India, which is Bhopal, and we are the third generation of our family who are Baba lovers. And our family came into Baba's contact through our grandparents, our grandfather, Shri Devai Nafre, and our grandmother, Srimati Shakuntala Nafre, along with their four kids. The eldest is Dr. Kunda Nafre, then Kishore Nafre, Kiran Nafre, and Pradeep Nafre. So these four kids, along with their four kids, our grandparents got the opportunity to have Baba's darshan multiple times, and they also got a chance to have Baba's private darshan. And I will narrate that story later on. But the good part is that all the four siblings are connected today through this program. So we would love to hear from them the stories if they want to share in the end. But on their behalf, I will keep sharing the stories. So to begin the program, I would like to request Anand, Aditya, and Antara to start the bhajan. The very first bhajan that we are going to sing today is Baba Tere Charan, and the gist of the bhajan. The gist of this bhajan is Baba Tere Charan. The poet is saying, Baba, I have come to your feet to offer my prayers. You have changed my life from the day you brought me in your grace. I was in darkness and couldn't recognize you. But after you glanced a nazar on me, I realized you. I have come to you sacrificing all my possessions. Please accept me. Jai Baba.
We'll also be posting translations. We don't have them for all the bhajans, but for whichever ones we have, we'll keep posting the translations on the chat. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai.
छुड़ाना दामन अपना, अब न छुड़ाना दामन अपना। ले यहाँ आशा आया हूँ बाबा, तेरे चरण कमल में खाल आरती लाया हूँ बाबा, तेरे प्रिय मंदिर में दीप जलाने आया हूँ। तू अनादि है, तू अनंत है, तू अनादि है, तू अनंत है, तू है पुरुष पुरातन प्रिया, तू है पुरुष पुरातन प्रिया। एक झलक ही अब दिखला दे, एक झलक ही अब दिखला दे। हाथ पसारे आया हूँ बाबा, तेरे चरण कमल में खाल आरती लाया हूँ बाबा, तेरे प्रिय मंदिर में दीप जलाने आया हूँ। अहमदनगर के वासी प्रियवर, अहमदनगर के वासी प्रियवर, आहा मेहर बाबा है दिलवर, आहा मेहर बाबा है दिलवर। अपना तन मन धन सब कुछ ने, अपना तन मन धन सब कुछ ने। चरण शरण अब आया हूँ बाबा, तेरे चरण कमल में खाल आरती लाया हूँ बाबा, तेरे प्रिय मंदिर में दीप जलाने आया हूँ बाबा, तेरे चरण कमल में खाल आरती लाया हूँ, खाल आरती लाया हूँ, खाल आरती लाया हूँ। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
Jai Baba. The next bhajan that we are going to sing is Jaisa Koi Mahan Nahi. The translation of this bhajan will also be posted in the chat group. Jai Baba.
जय बाबा।
ऐसा कोई महान नहीं जिंदगी में काम, ऐसा कोई महान नहीं ये जिंदगी में काम। लेना मेहर का नाम रे मीठा मेहर का नाम, लेना मेहर का नाम रे मीठा मेहर का नाम। का नाम। हर श्वास आते जाते कहना मेहर मेहर, हर शान आपसे वो कहते मेहर मेहर, कहते मेहर मेहर। पाओ मेहर का धाम रे, लेते मेहर का नाम। पाओ मेहर का धाम रे, लेते मेहर का नाम। ऐसा कोई महान नहीं जिंदगी में काम, ऐसा कोई महान नहीं जिंदगी में काम। लेना मेहर का नाम रे, मीठा मेहर का नाम। लेना मेहर का नाम रे, मीठा मेहर का नाम। ये नाम तुमको देगा आनंद की लहर, सुख को बढ़ावे पल पल, कहते मेहर मेहर, कहते मेहर मेहर। लगता न कोई दाम रे, कहना मेहर का नाम। लगता न कोई दाम रे, कहना मेहर का नाम। ऐसा कोई महान नहीं जिंदगी में काम, ऐसा कोई महान नहीं जिंदगी में काम। लेना मेहर का नाम रे, लेना मेहर का नाम। झगड़े फसाद स्वार्थ के कारण पनपते हैं, इंसान को इंसान का दुश्मन बनाते हैं, दुश्मन बनाते हैं। कर लो सभी से प्यार रे, तुमको मेहर की आस। कर लो सभी से प्यार रे, तुमको मेहर की आस। ऐसा कोई महान नहीं जिंदगी में काम, ऐसा कोई महान नहीं जिंदगी में काम। लेना मेहर का नाम रे, मीठा मेहर का नाम। सबको असीम प्यार से अपनाएंगे मेहर, सतज्ञान मधुसूदन ले आए हैं मेहर, ले आए हैं मेहर। कर लो उन्हें प्रणाम रे, देकर हृदय का दान। जिंदगी में काम ऐसा कोई महान नहीं, जिंदगी में काम लेना मेहर का नाम रे, मीठा मेहर का नाम, लेना मेहर का नाम रे, मीठा मेहर का नाम, मीठा मेहर का नाम। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
Jai Meher Baba. The next ghazal that we're going to sing, it's a very beautiful ghazal which was also sung before Baba, and Baba really liked this ghazal. The title of the ghazal is Yahi Latif Khalish Kash Dayami Ho Jaye. The poet of this ghazal is Sheri Bhopali, and in this ghazal the poet is explaining that love is like a itch. The more you scratch, the more you feel like scratching. May this pleasure of separation become permanent. May life go long in this beloved. Let's hear it. Jai Baba.
जय बाबा।
यही लतीफ खलिश, यही लतीफ खलिश, यही लतीफ खलिश, काश दायमी हो जाए, यही लतीफ खलिश, काश दायमी हो जाए, खुदा करे कि तेरी और जिंदगी हो जाए, खुदा करे कि तेरी और जिंदगी हो जाए, यही लतीफ खलिश, काश दायमी हो जाए, तेरी खुशी में जो शामिल मेरी खुशी हो जाए, तेरी खुशी में जो शामिल मेरी खुशी हो जाए, ये जिंदगी जिसे, ये जिंदगी जिसे कहते हैं जिंदगी हो जाए, ये जिंदगी जिसे कहते हैं जिंदगी हो जाए, यही लतीफ खलिश, काश दायमी हो जाए, जला के तरफ से वफा में अगर कमी हो जाए, मेरी तरफ से वफा में अगर कमी हो जाए, यही लतीफ खलिश काश दायमी हो जाए। तेरे कदम पे मेरा सर झुके तो ऐसा झुके, मेरा सर ऐसा झुके, हो एक सजदा अदा, हो एक सजदा अदा, पूरी बंदगी हो जाए, हो एक सजदा अदा, पूरी बंदगी हो जाए, यही लतीफ खलिश काश दायमी हो जाए। जो उनका हुस्न उलट दे नकाब ए शेरी,
जो उनका हुस्न उलट दे नकाब
ए शेरी, तमाम आलमे, तमाम आलमे इम्कान में रोशनी हो जाए, तमाम आलमे इम्कान में रोशनी हो जाए, तमाम आलमे इम्कान में रोशनी हो जाए, यही लतीफ खलिश काश दायमी हो जाए, खुदा करे कि तेरी और जिंदगी हो जाए, खुदा करे कि तेरी और जिंदगी हो जाए। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
जय बाबा। So the next bhajan that we are going to sing is Tore Darash Se Harash Bhayo. This bhajan is written by Madhusudan ji, and in this the poet is saying that your darshan is source of joy, a supporter of the poor. Jai Baba.
जय बाबा। अनुपम सुंदर रूप तुम्हारा, नैना रहे निहार,
कोटि सूर्य का तेज हो फीका, कोटि सूर्य का तुम्हारे जैसी कोई न हस्ती, तुम्हारे जैसी कोई न हस्ती इस जग में दाता, मेहरबान इस जग में दाता। तोरे दर्श से हर्ष भयो, तोरे दर्श से हर्ष भयो, मेहरबान दीनधार, मेहरबान दीनधार, मेहरबान दीनधार। मेहरनाम पे बारी जाऊं, जपू नाम हर बार। मेहर नाम पे बारी जाऊं, जपू नाम हर बार। तुम्हारे सिवा कोई उतर न पावे, तुम्हारे सिवा कोई उतर न पावे, कठिन कठिन भवधार, मेहरबान कठिन कठिन भवधार। तोरे दर्श से हर्ष भयो, तोरे दर्श से हर्ष भयो, मेहरबान दीनधार, मेहरबान दीनधार। मेहर नाम पे
बारी जाऊं,
जपू नाम हर बार। मेहर नाम पे
बारी जाऊं, जपू नाम हर
बार। तुम्हारे सिवा कोई उतर न पावे, तुम्हारे सिवा कोई उतर न पावे, कठिन कठिन भवधार, मेहरबान कठिन कठिन भवधार। तोरे दर्श से हर्ष भयो, तोरे दर्श से हर्ष भयो, मेहरबान दीनधार, मेहरबान दीनधार। क्या महिमा
मैं गाऊं तुम्हारी, मैं बालक सरकार।
क्या महिमा
मैं गाऊं तुम्हारी, मैं बालक सरकार।
ब्रह्मा शंकर शेष थक गए, ब्रह्मा शंकर शेष थक गए, कोई न पाया पार, मेहरबान कोई न पाया पार। तोरे दर्श से हर्ष भयो, तोरे दर्श से हर्ष भयो, मेहरबान दीनधार, मेहरबान दीनधार। महिमा
तुम्हारी बहुत रही पर
मैं जान सकूं, महिमा तुम्हारी बहुत रही पर मैं जान सकूं। चोच भरे बूंदे चुन लिए, चोच भरे बूंदे चुन लिए, तुम्हारे नाम धार, मेहरबान तुम्हारे नाम
शंख हो, तुम ही हो सब सार।
मधुसूदन तो दास तुम्हारा, मधुसूदन तो दास तुम्हारा, कर दो बेड़ा पार, मेहरबान कर दो बेड़ा पार। हाँ तोरे दर्श से हर्ष भयो, तोरे दर्श से हर्ष भयो, मेहरबान दीनधार, मेहरबान दीनधार, मेहरबान दीनधार। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
Jai Baba. I will now narrate a very short story. In 1955, there was a 5-day Sehwas program organized, and our grandfather was part of this Sehwas program for 5 days. And 3 years later, in Sakori, there was a Darshan program which was organized, and there were almost 300 people who were part of this Darshan program. And during that program, Baba had 2 coconut fruit, and out of 300 people, Baba gave that coconut fruit to 2 of the lovers, Baba lovers, and one of them was our grandfather, Shri D.Y. Nafre. And while giving the coconut fruit to our grandfather, Baba gestured to keep this coconut fruit as if it is me, as if it's Baba, and to keep worship this coconut fruit always, and keep that fruit with us all the time. And we still have that coconut fruit with us, and we worship that as Baba every day. So this is one of the prized possession that we have, which was given to our grandfather by Meher Baba. And so the other, the second prized possession that we have, so when Baba dropped his body, our grandfather, along with their 4 kids, they were assembled at Meherabad for 5 days. And when Baba's body was kept in the crypt, Bhau Kalchuri ji gave a piece of cloth to our grandfather, and that piece of cloth was Baba's sadra. That the cloth was part of Baba's sadra that we still have with us. So these 2 are the prized possession that we have today, and this is what we wanted to share with you all. Thank you. Jai Baba. The next bhajan that we are going to sing now is Kisse Pucho Humne Kaha. So that we are going to sing. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. So this ghazal is Begum Akhtar. Begum Akhtar has sung this ghazal actually, and it was her birthday yesterday. So we are remembering her today. And 2 ghazals we are going to sing now. Both are Begum Akhtar's ghazals. So the first one is Kisse Pooche Humne Kaha, Chehra Roshan Dekha Hai. So the I will just explain it I will explain it briefly. So it's actually the poet is saying that who do I go and ask where have I seen this glorious, beautiful face? I have seen all wonders of the world, but nothing matches the beauty of my beloved. So this is a very brief description of the song. We don't have the word-to-word translation for it. So again, remembering Begum Akhtar ji on her, and her love for Baba. So, Jai Baba.
अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। किससे पूछे हमने कहा
किससे पूछे हमने कहा वो चेहराए रोशन देखा है। किससे पूछे हमने कहा वो चेहराए रोशन देखा है। महफिल महफिल ढूंढ चुके हैं, महफिल महफिल ढूंढ चुके हैं। गुलशन गुलशन देखा है। किससे पूछे हमने कहा वो किसको देखे किसको न देखे। फूल भी है कलियां भी मगर जिससे लगाई आँख उसी को, जिससे लगाई आँख उसी को। दिल का दुश्मन देखा है। किससे पूछे हमने कहा वो चेहराए रोशन देखा है। रंगे बहारे सुबह गुलिस्तां क्या देखे वो दीवाना। रंगे बहारे सुबह गुलिस्तां क्या देखे वो दीवाना। जिसकी नजर ने एक ही गुल में, जिसकी नजर ने एक ही गुल में सारा गुलशन देखा है। जिसकी नजर ने एक ही गुल में सारा गुलशन देखा है। किससे पूछे हमने कहा वो चेहराए रोशन देखा है। आज उन्हें जो चाहे समझ लो, वरना यही तस्की है जिन्हें। आज उन्हें जो चाहे समझ लो, वरना यही तस्की है जिन्हें। कल तक हमने हुए बुता में, कल तक हमने हुए बुता में खाक बादामन देखा
बाबा की जय।
The next ghazal is again Begum Akhtar's ghazal. It's ulti ho gayi sab tadbीरें कुछ ना दवा ने काम किया. So the literal translation is that all my plans have been upturned by the beloved. So no medicine is going to work, such as the sorrow of separation, or let's say the immense love that I have for the beloved, that no medicine can now bring me back from where I have reached. So all my plans have been upturned, overturned by the beloved.
जय बाबा।
उल्टी हो गई सब तदबीरें, उल्टी हो गई सब तदबीरें, कुछ ना दवा ने काम किया, देखा इस बीमारी दिल ने, देखा इस बीमारी दिल ने, आखिर काम तमाम किया, उल्टी हो गई सब तदबीरें, अहदे जवानी रो रो काटा, अहदे जवानी रो रो काटा, मेरी मैली आँखें मूंद, यानी रात बहुत थे जागे, यानी रात बहुत थे जागे, सुबह हुई आराम किया, यानी रात बहुत थे जागे, सुबह हुई आराम किया, उल्टी हो गई सब तदबीरें, या के सफेदों स्याह में हमको दखल है, सो इतना है, या के सफेदों स्याह में हमको दखल है, सो इतना मजहब को अब पूछते क्या हो, इनने तो मीर के दिनों मजहब को अब पूछते क्या हो, इनने तो कश का खींचा दैर में बैठा, कश का खींचा दैर में बैठा, कब का तर्क इस्लाम किया, कश का खींचा दैर में बैठा, कश का खींचा दैर में बैठा, कब का तर्क इस्लाम किया, उल्टी हो गई सब तदबीरें, कुछ ना दवा ने काम किया, देखा इस बीमारी दिल ने, देखा इस बीमारी दिल ने, आखिर काम तमाम किया, उल्टी हो गई सब तदबीरें। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। जय बाबा।
Jai Baba. We all have heard about Begum Akhtar. Begum Akhtar is regarded as one of the greatest singer, and Baba also used to like her singing a lot, and it was her 106th birthday yesterday. So Begum Akhtar also, she was privileged to sing before Baba in Guru Prasad, and during one of the program where Begum Akhtar was singing live at Guru Prasad in front of Baba, our father Pradeep Nafde and Kiran Nafde, when they were young, they got the opportunity, they were privileged to see this live. They were there in Guru Prasad, and Begum Akhtar was singing in front of Baba. She was singing so beautifully, she was crying in front of Baba. She was so much in love, and she was singing, and our father were privileged to be there and witness this live when this was happening.
They are here today, both
Both the fathers who were privileged to have Baba.
Pradeep Kumar Nafde and
Jai Baba, Jai Baba, Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. So the next bhajan that we are going to sing is Koi Na Sat Ko Jane. This is again written by Madhusudan ji, and here the poet is saying, none but Meher is the one who knows the truth. All are same, none is high or low, all have their own role to play. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
को जाने
हंसना गाना ध्यान लगाना, हंसना गाना ध्यान लगाना, प्रेम से अपने निरमाना, प्रेम से अपने निरमाना, सुन कर पढ़ कर सत्य परखना, सुन कर पढ़ कर सत्य परखना, दास दीवाने, दास दीवाने, सब जाने जाने, सब जाने, कोई नहीं, कोई नहीं, कोई ना सत्य को जाने, सब जाने जाने, सब मधुसूदन ये भरम तेरा, मधुसूदन ये भरम तेरा, छुटती है सब हिदगारा, नहीं छुटती है सब हिदगारा, प्रेम ही लेना, प्रेम ही लेना, प्रेम ही लेना, प्रेम ही देना, और क्या सब जाने, और क्या सब जाने, नहीं सब जाने जाने नहीं सब जाने कोई नहीं कोई नहीं कोई न सबको जाने सब जाने जाने सब जाने जाने मेरे सब जाने अवतार में बाबा की जय।
Rashmitai, is there disturbance right now also?
Yeah, there's slight different disturbance.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
I think because of the tabla sound, maybe. Okay, so before we move on to the next bhajan, I would like to share a very short story. In 1957, there was a darshan program that was organized by Mumbai Center, and for that program, Baba was in Mumbai and he was staying in Ashiana Bungalow. During that time, our grandfather and grandmother, along with their 4 kids, they were staying in Mumbai. And on 26th December, when this mega mass darshan program was organized, our grandfather, along with their kids, they went to have Baba's darshan. And after the darshan program was over, our aunt, who was 12 years old that time, Dr. Kunda Nafre, who's there online right now, she requested Baba to sing Aarti. And Baba gestured towards the clock, and he gestured that it's already 11:45 and there is no time today, but maybe later on. So that time they couldn't sing the Aarti and they had to leave. But then after a few days, our grandfather got to know that Baba is going to stay for some more time in Mumbai. On 25th December, on Christmas Day, as that was the auspicious day, our grandfather decided to go and take Baba's darshan again if they get a chance. So on 25th December, our grandmother and our aunt, they prepared a coconut barfi, a 3-layered coconut barfi at home, and with cardamom seeds, they wrote, "Baba, give us love." And on that day, they carried a garland, a coconut. In India, we consider a coconut fruit as very auspicious thing. So they carried a coconut and a coconut barfi that they made, and they went to Ashiana Bungalow to have Baba's darshan. So there were volunteers outside the bungalow, and they asked if Baba have called them for the darshan today. But our grandfather, he knew that if Baba will allow darshan, then they will go inside. Otherwise, they'll give the barfi to the volunteers for Baba, and then they will leave. But then the message was sent to Baba, and that Nafre family has come. So Baba immediately asked them to call everyone inside. And when our grandfather was about to leave, the volunteer came and said that Baba is calling you inside. So our grandparents with their 4 kids, when they went inside, Baba was sitting in the hall, and there was no one else apart from all 6 of them. And they went inside, they sat, and they offered the barfi. And looking at the barfi, Baba gestured like this, that very nice. And Baba asked who made it. So our grandmother and aunt, they said that they have made it at home for Baba. And Baba was very, very delighted. He was very happy. And then he remembered, and he gestured to our aunt that you can sing Aarti. And all of them sang the Aarti, Marathi Aarti. And Baba was very happy. They all of them, they touched Baba's feet, and Baba embraced each one of them. And then Baba told them to go. So the beauty of this incident, we all know that getting in physical touch with Baba, getting the opportunity to touch Avatar's feet or getting the embrace is a very, very big thing. Avatar comes after 700 years, and all of them who got the opportunity to touch Baba's feet or to get Baba's embrace is very, very, very fortunate. We all know that. And all four of them, the kids, they are here right now, and they are very fortunate to touch Baba's feet and get Baba's embrace. It's a very, very big thing. And we all kids, we just love listening to these stories whenever we sit together, and because we feel so connected, we feel that maybe we were also there when this meeting was happening with Baba. This is so close to our heart, and that's the reason we keep sharing and we keep discussing this story with everyone. So this is all about it. I think the time is okay, the last bhajan that we're going to sing is Itna Shad
We'll take the dhun now and end the program with Baba Dhun.
It's already 9:30.
Yeah, so we'll take the last dhun. Okay, Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
मेहर मेहर जय जय मेहर 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 मेहर 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 जय जय 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 मेहर 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 जय जय मेहर 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 जय जय 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 मेहर 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 जय जय मेहर
जय जय मेहर जय जय मेहर जय जय मेहर जय जय मेहर 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 जय जय मेहर। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
जय बाबा।
जय बाबा।